Good day. Today is January 30th. Unfortunately, we have had some rain yesterday, and some figs are more prone to splitting when it is exposed to moisture. This is the Kadoka. This one is split. Deep brown. Still going. Still not ripe yet, or maybe is it? Maybe a day or two. Diana. One split. Again, well, these are not splitting. This one has not split. Oh, there's actually just there. This one actually split as well. This is the panache, but this one feels like it's ready. This one as well. This is the Noa de Carême. This is the biggest one I've had so far, and it's the last one. This is normal for the Noa de Carême. Once it's ready, it kind of has these split lines, but maybe it wouldn't have been there as bad because of the rain yesterday. The Black Mission seems to be holding up well. No splitting figs. Diana. Got an eye, top of an in the eye. Anyway, just catching up on the figs. Check these. There's some pecan on my pecan tree. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. Bye. Actually, I thought I might share this with you. This is how it looks inside. Oops. That is beautiful. That is the panache. Reverted, no stripes. Noa de Carême. Very nice, very ripe. It actually got some juice inside as well. The second panache. Yeah, I think my figs, my older figs, they are producing smaller figs, not as juicy as normal. I think I need to root prune them, take them out the pot, root prune, or put them in a bigger pot. The quality of the fruit is declining, unfortunately. But anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.